Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Rehab. Pay-per-click, commonly known as PPC, advertising and SEO may be the go-to tactics for generating calls for drug rehabilitation centers. This digital marketing strategy is simple to use and has been around for a long time. PPC and Rehab. Over time, Google Ads became the dominant PPC channel for drug recovery centers, with SEO running concurrently. Centers began by entering all of the industry-relevant keywords, then determining which ones resulted in lead conversions. Following that, they increased spending on winning keywords while decreasing spending on non-converting keywords. In the end, it's the same old song and dance of increasing conversions while lowering costs. It's adequate, but not ideal. Indeed, if you compare your metrics year over year, you may notice growing ad expenditures and increased competition. ClickGuard's unique approach and highly customizable technology creates a multitude of benefits for Google Ads clients. Eliminate fraud and all wasteful clicks from your Google Ads. Target leads that are more likely to convert with real-time optimization. Get your ads in front of the right people who are likely to convert. Maximize campaign ROI with intent optimization rules. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyzes every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.